Hey, what's up? So, I am going to do something new that I haven't done. Two things. I've never painted over a painted canvas, and I've never done a ribbon pour. So, I'm going to try. We're going to do these colors. It's like two different shades of blue and two different shades of yellow. So, here we go. It's like I hold my breath. That looks pretty cool already. Alright, well, I like the pattern that it made in the very beginning. I don't really know about all the other stuff, and I probably used way too much paint. Or maybe just enough. We will see. Looks pretty cool. Alright, here comes the fun stuff. I kind of want to try to keep the lines straight, but like I said, I haven't done it before. I know to do that though, you have to keep the weight of the paint and like shift it. But I guess whatever turns out, turns out. Turn off. Turn off. Okay. I won't keep my lines, I guess. But I'm trying. It's really heavy since there's already paint underneath. I can tell that there's a lot of paint on this, but might be too much paint on this. I want to get that corner. Definitely got the corner. And I definitely smudged it, but I'm gonna set it down and see. really hard to like get the sides and stuff since it's already painted, but not too fond of that part. So, but guess this is what we got. Pretty cool though. I could tilt it a little bit and get some blue over there just so it's kind of balanced out. There. Alright, I like it better. I just need a towel. And and a torch. Alright, finishing touch. Don't know why I shook it. Definitely a lot of paint. Oops, I'll get that later. I can never just leave it alone. Okay, I'll leave it alone. Oh, well, I think that's done. Bring you in for a close-up. All right. Let's see. It's pretty cool. There's a glare. Sorry. I like it. Cool. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Well, I did some more to this, and I tilted it some more. And although I am not most impressed, I am pretty impressed. Yeah. Not too bad for a first time.